Hey folks, welcome to this premium analysis of the euro versus the British pound. As we can see here on this time frame, price is sitting on a little area. Okay, we've got this area here. Okay, it's been tested once. When price left here, we did indeed manage to move above some highs, which is an important piece of information. We also had, oops, wrong tool. We had this here. Okay, so we have a parent. We have a child. Price went through the child to the parent. Okay, but price did not manage to hold above this parent area of supply. But what we have been able to do is move back down and revisit these lows. Okay, and so we have to focus on these little price nodules here and this one here, which we will now look at on the 4-hour chart. Okay, and so going to the 4-hour chart, things become a little bit clearer to us. And if we focus on, okay, so this is kind of ugly. We have this. We have a lot of trading here. So price. This is that child. Here's the parent. Okay, the price went away. We also have some other areas. We've got. You see, there's a lot of resistance from this price point here. Tested several times, and price finally managed to move through it. But it actually managed to move through it from here. We managed to move above it. We formed this little area here. Okay, it was removed by this. This area was removed by this, just here. Okay. Before I go any further, let me pinpoint the details of this little move here. We tested this and we failed. This is the move that went through it. The origin of this move goes all the way down to here. Okay, because this is the low of that, which brings our attention to something like this. Okay, we're going to mark off the low. This is where the test came from. Okay, price tested that. Okay, and we left. We came back, we tested it again. We've probably got some divergence here on the histogram just down here at the bottom. But for the time being, price is stuck between a couple of areas, and we've got this one here. Okay, this is the area of parent demand that was tested once, and above price. Well, we had this here. Price tested it, and now it's been removed. The area that removed at, well, it's kind of somewhere up here. Okay, so I think we're going to have a bit of a tough time moving through this and moving through this. Not meaning that it won't happen, because it absolutely positively will move through those areas, but we're going to see some reactions there. And the reason I marked off above this area here is because there's just too much trading in this area here. So you want to look to the highest high in this area, okay, because this is where price had to come back to from here before we managed to move back down here. Okay, so we have this area of demand. This is the buy zone. We have not yet seen that, and we have the sell zone just up here at this area here. So let's chuck on some rectangles so we can see what those look like. Got this one here, and below price we've got something like this. Okay, so shorts at the 84.42 and longs at the 82.87 area. Okay, this would be very nice if we saw something like this. Price came down, something like that. Histogram did something like this. That'd be very nice. Give us confirmation that we're indeed going to move down, and then move back here and rebalance this price inefficiency just here. Okay, good. I'm going to leave it at that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you once again for watching.